Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a jailbreak concept like the one that I made the other day, and I'll leave a video link down in the description showcasing that app that I made. So yeah, let's get started. So you're going to have to have CocoaPod set up, and you're also going to have to install SV Progress HUD, or you can just use the normal activity indicator, but that's up to you. To the side. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm just going to create an image view just here, and I'm going to put my image PG logo, and I already know how many pixels that is, so it's 142 by 142, and we're just going to have that just there. So now we're going to have a button, and I'm going to get rid of the text because I've already made a button in Sketch for this. So we're just going to type in jailbreak button, and we're going to make this smaller, and that should do. We're just going to make it a little bit bigger, and that should do. Right, so now we need to create an outlet and an action for this jailbreak button. So we're going to create a jailbreak button outlet first, and then we're going to create an action. Make sure to change this to action. And yeah, that is us done just there. That's only an error to do with code signers. So yeah, right. Now we need to import SV Progress HUD, and I'm just going to make sure I get the correct spelling here, because my spelling ain't great, but you know. Pods, there we go. Right, Control C. Yeah, we're going to add .h on the end of there. Right, so now we're going to create a void statement just here, and we're going to do preparing environment. That's what our activity indicator is going to be like. So preparing, and we're just going to call SV Progress HUD, and we're going to do show with status, and we're going to do that. Preparing environment, and then also we're going to here self perform selector at selector, and then we're going to call that just there, preparing, close that bracket, and we're going to with object self, and we don't need a delay on this one, but on the next one we will need a delay. So yeah, so we run this now. Make sure this one from 5 we can. So we'll run this right now. It will just show, well, you'll see now anyway. Just wait for this to boot up. So it will just give this activity indicator and saying prepare an environment. So it looks pretty legit right now. So what else we're going to do is when we press this button, jailbreak button outlet dot enabled equals no. So now when we press it, the button will no longer be enabled until the jailbreak has completed. So you'll no longer be able to press it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do void, and we're going to patch in a kernel, and we're just going to do exactly the same thing just here. We're just going to change the text that's shown in it. So we're just going to go show with status and a string, close that, and we're just going to do patch in kernel. So now we're going to call that, and we're going to call it about 10 seconds after. Sorry about my cat just there. Self perform selector at selector. We're going to do patching kernel. We're just going to do exactly the same thing just here, but you can do whatever delay you want. So I'm going to do say 11 seconds dot 0. So now we're going to crawl another word statement just here, and we're going to do installing Cydia, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. Show with status, brackets, speech marks, close that, and then we're going to do installing Cydia. Pretty simple to do. So do self perform selector at selector, installing Cydia. I'm just going to do exactly the same thing, and we're going to have to delay about 16 seconds. So it will show 4 seconds. No, it will show 5 seconds after patching kernel. So yeah, let's give this a test. So it will show patching, preparing environment first, and next it will show preparing patching kernel, and it will say installing Cydia, and then we can have a nice little tick saying success or jailbreak successful, void jailbreak complete. And then we're just going to call the same thing, but show with, let's have a look what's here, show success with status, and then you can make it say whatever you want. So I'm just going to make it say jailbreak done, smiley face. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's pretty simple. You can add a lot more things with it. You know, you can make it install a mobile config, you know, like I done with mine. But yeah. Oh yeah, I actually forgot to make this show up. Sorry about that. Self perform selector at selector. Jailbreak complete. And we're going to make it show up 21 seconds after. So there we go. That should all work now. And you have successfully created a jailbreak concept. Which is very easy. Right, so that is basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button up and subscribe to my